It's already recording.
What's that, Luke?
Cow.
What sound does a cow make?
Ooh.
Alright. What's this?
Bunny.
What sound does a bunny make?
Bunny.
Very good. What's this?
Puppy.
A puppy. What sound does a puppy make?
Oof. Puppy.
What's this?
Bear.
What sound does a bear make?
Water.
What's this?
Cutter.
That's a lion.
Lion.
Lion. What?
Roar.
Rawr. What's this?
Elephant.
What sound does an elephant make?
Oh.
What's this?
Horse.
What sound does a horse make?
Hey.
Do it again? I didn't hear. What sound?
Hey.
Very good. What's this?
Dolphin. Dolphin.
What sound does a dolphin make? Like that? Oh, you had trouble with that one too. What's this?
Quack.
I don't know what sound a giraffe makes. Does a giraffe make any sound? I don't really know. I think they probably neigh like a horse. What's this?
A tail.
Can you swim like a turtle?
Mm.
Does a turtle swim like this? Is Crush a turtle?
Quack.
From Nemo? Luke, what sound does a wolf make?
Ow.
What sound? Do it again, louder. Ow!
A two quacks.
What sound does